Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Redmi Buds 6S. And the first one is to use adapter and USB-C cable, so just connect it to USB-C port on your headphones and we can see a LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone, so all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on your headphones. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's also charging. These headphones didn't support wireless charging, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!